Welcome to Tech Brothers Tech Solutions. In this video, we will see how we can do the form validation when we are redirecting to the another page here. So, in my previous video, I have created a Spring Boot application using Spring Initializer with free marker. So here I am after submitting the form, I am redirecting this to another page. So what if uh, there are any errors when we are submitting the form? How we need to redirect to the same page and display the errors when there are validation failures, and if there are no validation failures, how to redirect to the another page. So here to identify whether we are having any errors in the form or not, uh, we can what we can do is in the binding result object, so we need to check has field errors or not. So if it says any field errors, then I need to redirect to the same page, which is slash user page. Okay, so before I am writing further code, we will see what will happen if I directly redirect to the user page, whether it will display any errors or not. Okay, I have stopped the server here and I am starting the server again. So here it will check for if there are any errors in the user object or not. So if there are any errors, then it will redirect it to the user page. If there are if there are any no errors, then it will come out here and it will go to the display error page. Okay, so you'll see now the server is started here and I am just using slash user. So without entering any data, I'm just submitting the form. So you can see, so even though there are no, uh, there are validations, so we cannot see any validation messages or error messages here because when we redirect here, so it will create a fresh request. We are losing all the binding results data, whatever it contains, the information related to the validations. You can see the user domain. So in the user domain, we are already having uh, for the name attribute, we are having like not blank. The name should not be null. Okay, whenever we enter, uh, we submit the form without the username, it should show this error message, name should not be blank. Okay, to get that message again, so what we need to do is in the user controller, as I told you, we need to use the flash attributes again here. Um, so in my previous video, I have shown you how to use the uh, flash attributes here. So to persist this binding result, we need to send that binding result data again in the flash attribute dot user because it is the user data, and then I am sending the binding result data. Okay, so now we will see whether it will display the error message or not. So I have stopped the server and I am restarting the server now. So the server is started here and I came back to the form application again and the form is rendered without any errors and I am submitting here again. Okay, still I have not provided anything in the username, uh, but I didn't see any error messages here because so if you see here, um, whenever we submit the form, it comes here and it is added in the flash attributes. I have added all the binding results to the flash attributes. Okay, and then I am redirecting to the same slash user and it comes here. And in the model attribute, if you see whatever there in the user, and I am reinitializing that user. So whenever I reinitialize that user, here you can see I am losing all the binding results data. So to persist that data, we need to check condition like model dot as map dot contains key of user. If already contains, then don't create that one. So I am negating that one. If it is not contains, then only add it. If it contains, then don't do anything. Okay, don't override the user object here. So like that I am doing, I am just negating that condition here. So you can check here like if the model is not containing the user, then create a new user object. Otherwise, don't create it. So I am saving it and I am restarting my server. We'll see what will happen now. Yeah. Now the server is started and we'll see. And I am restarting the page. So the form is rendered. So now without entering anything in the username, I am just submitting the page. Now you can see name should not be blank. So we got the error message. So if I write something again, then the error message gone and we have seen the data has been displayed successfully. So whenever we are redirecting to the same page, so we need to add this flash at this binding results data in the flash attributes and we need to check whether we are creating a new user object or not. Okay, thank you.